Let's bring in Helima Croft. She's the head of global commodity strategy at RBC Capital Markets, also a CNBC contributor. And Helima, maybe the surprising thing with this has been to see oil prices actually drop down another 1% today. Not much reaction, and maybe because this isn't expected to be long lasting, at least when it comes to energy production.
I think that's exactly right, Becky. I mean, yes, we had nearly all of Gulf of Mexico oil production offline, but Gulf of Mexican oil production is not nearly as substantial fraction of U.S. production as it was, for example, during Hurricane Katrina. Ever since the shale revolution, that is not nearly as important a supply base for U.S. production. That production is expected to come back. It is a bigger story, though, for gasoline because of the refinery outages, and there is concern that those refineries could be offline for, several weeks. So we're going to be really watching what happens in terms of the reopening of refineries, because that will impact gasoline prices.
The storm, obviously a big deal. Maybe some of the worst damage has been missed. We don't know everything at this point. But there are so many other factors when it comes to energy prices right now, Helima. Maybe OPEC in the meeting this week. What happens? Are they going to go ahead with that 400,000 additional barrels a day production?
I mean, this is an important meeting, Becky. I mean, in July, there was an expectation that we would get this deal to start bringing barrels back. And then there was a 17-day delay as they were sort of discussing issues over production benchmarks. It is our expectation that they're going to continue on this path of gradually adding barrels back to the market. Now, some members have expressed concern because of continued high COVID cases in key countries like China. But again, I think the group is probably going to continue with this gradual production increase plan and then basically say, look, we now meet every single month. If the market gets soft, we can reverse course on this production increase. We have this ability to be flexible. President Biden has asked OPEC to put even more barrels on the market. But again, I think they're going to stick with their cautious increase plan that they agreed to over the summer.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.